minutes and nautical miles. Still a quick review of Year 11 Geography. There are circles around the Earth that help us to pinpoint positions. Lines of longitude stretch from the North Pole to the South Pole. Lines of latitude stretch around the Earth parallel to the equator. An example of a location is 27 degrees south, 153 degrees east, which is the rough location of Brisbane. Something to remember is that north and south always come first, east and west come second. Now there's a problem with this. Degrees are really big. Each degree is about 111.2 kilometers. That's because we've taken the diameter of the circumference of the Earth and we've divided by how many degrees there are in a circle, which is 360. So when we say that Brisbane is here, it's within 111 kilometers of there. Now, we need something a little bit more accurate than that. So, each degree is divided up into 60 minutes. An example of a new location that's more accurate is 27 degrees 28 minutes, this dash means minutes, south, and 153 degrees 1 minute east. Okay, that is a more accurate location for Brisbane. Now, 1 minute is equal to 1 nautical mile. That's not a coincidence, they just named the nautical mile as being what 1 minute of longitude is. And if we wanted to turn 1 nautical mile into a kilometer, it's 1.852 kilometers. That number is very easy to remember because if you look at your calculator, 1.852 is 1 point and then straight down the middle of the calculator, 852. A question. How far is it between 27 degrees 28 minutes south and 27 degrees 20 minutes south in kilometers? Well, first off, let's do the difference between locations. Is 27 degrees 28 minutes. Take 27 degrees 20 minutes. Okay, 27 take 27 is going to be 0 degrees, and 28 minutes take 20 minutes is going to be 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes difference. Now, over here we know that 1 minute is equal to 1 nautical mile. Okay, so we have 1 minute equals 1 nautical mile. Therefore, 8 minutes is equal to 8 nautical miles. So now we're in nautical miles. But the question says kilometers, so we're going to have to convert to kilometers. That's easy. Okay, let's set up our communication. Distance in kilometers. Now to do that, it's just nautical miles times by 1.852. So we have 8 nautical miles times by 1.852, which is, do that times 8, 14.816 equals 14.816 kilometers. There we go. The distance between 27 degrees 28 minutes south and 27 degrees 20 minutes south is, in kilometers, 14.816 kilometers.